You just found the 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Stay connected on the worksite in the full-size Silverado 1500 pickup. Its smooth, agile ride keeps you comfortable, while its rugged strength gets the job done. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane departure warning, keyless entry, keyless start, backup camera, bed liner, satellite radio, lane keeping assist. Work smart in the comfortable, connected Silverado 1500. Drive it today.